Welcome to Khana Kingdom. Today we start our next chapter of Genie book. Chapter 12. Topic is give and take. So, worksheet 2. Worksheet 1, do yourself in your Genie book. Now next is worksheet 2. Fill in the missing number in each of the following. So worksheet 2 is fill in the missing number in each of the following. 16, 9, blank, 3. So what we have to add between 9 and 3 to get 16? First we add 9 and 3. 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3, 12. Now 16 minus 12. So 6 minus 2, 4. Then we write here 4. Okay. So we add 4 in 9 and 3 to get 16. Okay. Our question is 16. Now 9, 3. So we add 4 to get 16. First we add 9 and 3. 9 plus 3, 12. First we add 9 and 3. Then 16 minus 12. Then we subtract 12 from 16. So we get number 4. So we write here 4. So 9 plus 4 plus 3. 9 plus 4. 9 plus 3, 12. Plus 1, 13. So 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 3, 16. Now, next question is 9. So what we have to add in 4 and 3 to get number 9. First we add 4 and 3. So 4 plus 3 equals to 7. 4 plus 3, 7. Now 9 minus 7 equals to 2. 9 minus 7, 2. Now let's check the addition. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. So we write here 2 to get number 9. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. Okay. In question number 1, our answer is 16. So 9 plus 3 plus 4. First we add 9 and 3. So we get 12. Then 16 minus 12 equals to 4. Now let's check the addition. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 3, 16. So we write here 4 in the blank. Now next is 9. So 2 plus 4 plus 3. First we add 4 and 3. So 4 plus 3 equals to 7. Now 9 minus 7 equals to 2. Let's check the addition. 2 plus 4 equals to 6. 6 plus 3 equals to 9. Okay. Rest all the question of worksheet 2 and worksheet 1 do in your Genie book. Now our next worksheet is worksheet 3. Solve the following. Color the answer blue in the number grid. After this sums, there is a number grid. So our first question is 12 plus 20. 12 plus 20. So 2 plus 0, 2, 1 plus 2, 3. 2 plus 0, 2, and 1 plus 2, 3. Means 12 plus 20 equals to 32. Now next question. 34 plus 15. 34 plus 15. So 4 plus 5, 9. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 5 equals to 9. 3 plus 1, 4. So 34 plus 15. 34 plus 15 equals to 49. Okay. Now next question number C. 52 plus 17. 52 plus 17. So 2 plus 7, 9. 5 plus 1, 6. 2 plus 7 equals to 9. 5 plus 1, 6. So 52 plus 17 equals to 69. Now next question number D is 75. 75 plus 24. So 5 plus 4, 9. 7 plus 2, again 9. Means 75 plus 24 equals to 99. Now next question is 36 plus 62. 36 plus 62. So 6 plus 2, 8. And 3 plus 6, 9. First we add the digit at the ones place. In two-digit number, first digit is our tens and second is our ones. So first we add the digit at the ones place, then we add the digit at the tens place. So 12 plus 20, first we add the digit at the ones place, means 2 plus 0 equals to 2. Then digit at the tens place, 1 plus 2 equals to 3. Okay. Now next is 34 plus 15. So 4 plus 5 equals to 9. Write here 9 at the ones place. Then we add the digit at the tens place. 3 plus 1, 4. So 34 plus 15 equals to 49. Now 52 plus 17. So 2 plus 7, 9. 5 plus 1, 6. Okay. So 52 plus 17 equals to 69. Now next is 75 plus 24. So 5 plus 4, 9. 7 plus 2, again 9. So 75 plus 24 equals to 99. Now next question is 36 plus 62. So 6 plus 2, 8. 3 plus 6, 9. So 36 plus 62 equals to 98. In the number grid, 32, 49, 69, 99 and 98. Color these numbers blue color in the number grid. Okay. Now, our next worksheet is worksheet 4. Subtract the numbers written inside the balloons. In this worksheet, we have to subtract the numbers inside the balloon. Then, color the balloons according to the color code. There is a color code in your books, means 11, red color, 12, blue color, 13, yellow color, 14, pink color, 15, purple, 16, brown, 17, orange, and 18, gray, and 19, green. So, our question number A, 18 minus 1. So, subtract 1 from 18 equals to 17. So, 17 color code is orange. So, fill orange color in this balloon. Fill orange color in this balloon. Now, next, 18 minus 6. 18 minus 6 means subtract 6 from 18. So, we get number 12. 18 minus 6 equals to 12. So, 12 color code is blue. So, fill blue color in question B inside the balloon. Now, next is 19 minus 7. So, 19 minus 7, again 12. 19 minus 7 equals to 12. So, again fill blue color in balloon C. Okay. In all the balloons, first you subtract the number, then fill the color according to the answer and use number code. Means, for example, question A, 18 minus 1 equals to 17. So, 17 color code in your book is orange. So, fill orange color in this balloon. Now, question B, 18 minus 6. So, 18 minus 6 equals to 12. So, 12 color code is blue. So, fill blue color inside the balloon. Now, next question number C, 19 minus 7. So, 19 minus 7 equals to 12. So, again fill blue color in this balloon, question number C. Okay. Rest all the question, do yourself in your Genie book and fill the colors according to the color code given in your book. Now, our next worksheet is worksheet 5. In worksheet 5, our question is subtract the numbers given on the fish and write the correct answer in the given below each fish. Use the method of vertical subtraction. So, we have to subtract the numbers given on the fish by using vertical subtraction method. So, 43 minus 21. So, we subtract 21 from 43. So, 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 1. So, take away 1. How many left? 1, 2. So, 3 minus 1 equals to 2. Now, next 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 1, 2. How many left? 2. Means 3 minus 1 equals to 2. 4 minus 2 equals to 2. So, when we subtract 21 from 43, we get our answer 22. So write this answer in this box. Okay. Now next is 66 minus 43. So 66 minus 43. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. In 6 we take away 3. So how many left? 1, 2, 3. So 6 minus 3 equals to 3. 6 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we take away 4 from 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many left? 2. So 6 minus 3 equals to 3 and 6 minus 4 equals to 2. So when we take away 43 from, when we subtract 43 from 66, our answer is 23. So write 23 in box. Okay. First, in this question, we subtract the numbers by using vertical subtraction. Then write the answer in the box. Okay. Rest all the question of worksheet 5 do in your book, and the next worksheet 6 also do yourself. Now our next worksheet is worksheet 7. Solve the following addition and subtraction. Solve the following addition and subtraction sums given in the puzzle and color according to the code given. First, solve the following question and then color the blocks, color the puzzles using color code. Means 1 equals to, when your answer is 1, so fill red color, 2 blue, 10 dark green, 11 pink, 12 purple, 18 grey, 20 orange, 22 yellow, 19 brown and 28 light green. Now let's start. Solve the puzzle. First is 10 plus 12. So 2 plus 0, 2, 1 plus 1, 2. So what is the color code of 22? Yellow. So fill yellow color in this block. Okay. Next question is 16 minus 6. So 6 minus 6, 0, 1. Now 10 color code is dark green. So fill dark green color in this block or puzzle. Okay. Now next is 3 plus 15. So 5 plus 3, 8. So 15 plus 3 equals to 18. In 18, you have to fill gray color. The color code of 18 is gray. So fill fill gray color in this block. Now next is 17 plus 3. So 3 plus 7, 10. Carry forward 1 plus 1, 2. So 20 color code is orange. So fill orange color in this puzzle. Now next is 14 minus 12. So 4 minus 2, 2, 1 minus 1, 0. So color code of 2 is blue. So fill blue color in this puzzle. Now next is 19 plus 9. So 9 plus 9, 18. 1 plus 1, 2. So 19 plus 9 equals to 28. And 28 color code is light green. So fill light green in this puzzle. Now next is 17 minus 6. So 7 minus 6, 1, 1. Now the color code of 11 is pink. So pink, fill pink color in this puzzle. Now next is 19 minus 8. So 9 minus 8, 1. Bring down 1, write here 1 at the tens place. So color code of 11 is again pink. So fill pink color in this puzzle. Okay. Rest all the puzzle. First you add and subtract, then fill the color using color code. Okay. Now, next worksheet is worksheet 8. In worksheet 8, there are 5 squares. There are 5 squares. Add more squares to make the required number. In 5, we have to add more square to make the required number. Means there is a 5 square. So 5 plus 1, 6. So we have to make one more square. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 equals to 6 square. So we have to make only one square to 6. Now next is 10. So 5 squares are there. Now how many squares we have to make? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So how many squares required to make number 10? Number 10, 5 squares are there. So we have to make 5 more squares to 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 squares are there and we have to make 5 more squares. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 equals to 10 square. Now next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 squares are there. How many squares we have to make to 9? So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So after 5, how many squares we make? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 plus 4, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In question number 1, our number is 6. 5 squares are there. So we add 1 to 6. Now next is 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 squares are there. And how many squares we make to the 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means 5 plus 5 equals to 10. So we add 5 more squares to 10. Now next is 9. So 5 squares are there. After 5, we add 4 more square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 6, 7, 8, 9. So we make 4 square to 9. Okay. Now rest all the questions of all the worksheet of chapter 12 do in your Genie book. Now we start our next chapter, chapter 14, Birds Come, Birds Go. In this chapter, worksheet 1, decide if the answer is true or false. Write the addition statement near the respective values. So first, you check the addition and then decide what is true and what is false. So write the true addition, correct addition in true and incorrect addition in false. Okay. So our question number A is 32 plus 17. So 2 plus 7 equals to 9. 3 plus 1, 4. So this is a correct addition. So we write here 32 plus 17 equals to 49. Now next question, question number B, 41 plus 15. 1 plus 5 equals to 6. 4 plus 1 equals to 5. So this is a correct addition. So write this sum in addition statement in true column. 41 plus 15 equals to 56. Now next question, C, 52 plus 33. So 2 plus 3 equals to 5. Then 5 plus 3 equals to 8. So 52 plus 33 equals to 85. So this is the correct addition statement. So write in the column of true. 52 plus 33 equals to 85. Now next is 73 plus 15. So 3 plus 5 equals to 8. And 7 plus 1 equals to 88. But there is an answer 80. So this is an incorrect addition. 73 plus 15 equals to 88. But there is an answer 80. So this is an incorrect addition. So write this in false. 73 plus 15 equals to 80. Now next question, E, 71 plus 11. So 1 plus 1 equals to 2. 7 plus 1, 8. So 71 plus 11 equals to 82. So this is the correct addition. So write this addition statement in true. So 7 60 plus 10 equals to 75. First we add 0 plus 0, 0, 6 plus 1, 7. So 60 plus 10 equals to 70, but there is the answer 75. So this is a incorrect addition. So write F. 60 plus 10 equals to 75. In this question, first you add the numbers, then check the answer. If answer is correct, so write the addition statement near the true value. Okay? True value. 32 plus 17 equals to 49. This is the correct addition. So I'll write it here near the true values. 32 plus 17 equals to 49. Now next is 41 plus 15. 41 plus 15. So 41 plus 15 equals to 56. So this is also correct addition. So we write here near the true values. 41 plus 15, 56. Now 52 plus 33 equals to 85. This is also a correct addition. So write in the column of true. Now 73 plus 15 equals to 80. So 3 plus 5, 8 and 7 plus 1, 8 means 73 plus 15 equals to 88, but there is 80, so this is an incorrect addition statement. So write in D. 73 plus 15, 80, false, near the false value. Now next is 71 plus 11 equals to 82. 1 plus 1, 2, 7 plus 1, 8. So 71 plus 11 equals to 82. This is a correct addition. So write near the true value. Now next is 60 plus 10 equals to 75. So 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 1, 7. So 60 plus 10 equals to 70. But there is 75. So write this addition statement near the false value. 60 plus 10 equals to 75. Okay. So first you add the numbers, then check the answer. Answer is correct or incorrect. If the answer is correct, so write the addition statement near the true value. If answer is incorrect, so you write the statement near the false value. Now complete all the worksheet of chapter 12 and 14 in your Genie book, and thanks for watching this video. Bye.